Guys, this game CapyBara is the latest game on the Somnia Odyssey quest. As you can see, this is a snake game that you need to play in order for you to claim a reward on the Somnia Odyssey and unlock your weekly reward. This game is very simple to complete. If you have played the snake game before, you should be able to complete this game. It is very easy. As you can see, you control your snake using your mouse cursor, and anywhere you take your mouse cursor, the snake will follow suit. So in this video, I want to show you how to complete this specific task, which is obtain 500 clovers in the CapyBara Snake Game. From the game homepage, there are some things I want you to take note of before you play this game. Please make sure you watch this video before you play this game, because if you do not watch this video, you might end up spending money and yet unable to claim this game. So you can see that there's a ticket here, right? You get one ticket for registering on this game. This ticket here costs 0.5 SOMI, which is about $0.6 for this particular ticket. And in order for you to play the game, each play costs one ticket. And then you will notice that this is your snake, right? This is the color of your snake and everything. If you want to change this here, you click on skin. There are about 19 different skins and they are free. You just go through them and select whichever one you want. So whichever one you want here, you click on it and it will be selected. Kill effect. Kill effect is if they kill you in the game, what do you want your carcass to look like your dead snake to look like? So you can select anyone here. It doesn't matter which one you select. They do not affect your gameplay. All of these settings here, skin and kill effect, does not affect your gameplay. So let us check out this ranking. If you come to ranking, this is where you see your position on the leaderboard, how everybody arranged on the leaderboard and others. Lucky draw. You can also use lucky draw to get tickets or clovers. You remember that in the Somnia Odyssey, you are expected to get clovers, and these clovers that you can use to claim the reward. You can see here, reach at least 500 clovers in the CapyBara Snake Game. So you need to get 500 clovers in order for you to claim this reward. So from here, guys, let us start the game. This is the ticket that I have. I need to click on play and then click on survival mode. Okay, this is where you need to play the game. You can see now, this is it. This is my character, and you can see that it is following every of my move with your mouse here. From your board here, you can see at the left corner here, you can notice the leaderboard. These are different players. Now, this is what you need to do. Avoid hitting any other player. You must not hit any other player, because if you hit any other player, you die. You need to also move around and pick up let us look for things to pick up. But the most important thing is to avoid hitting any other player head on. When a player dies, they leave these things behind. So you need to pick them up, and the more of these things that you pick up, the more longer your snake becomes. Going through yourself does not kill you. You won't die by going through your own self, but if you hit any other snake, you'll die. And then at the end of the game, it is these things that you have picked up plus your kills, how many people hit you and die, that will be used to determine your score. Okay, so I need to pick all of this up. This is just the game. The most important thing is to use your mouse and avoid hitting any other player. See, this guy that just hit me now is dead, and I got one score, right? Avoid them. Yeah, this guy just hit me and he's gone. So this is my turn to claim. Yep, this guy is dead. So I'll pick up. And then don't hit this wall. If you hit this wall, you'll die as well. If you hit the wall, you die. If you hit any other player, you die. You can see that from here on the left hand side on the leaderboard, I am climbing. Some persons are already taking over, but you need to keep playing. The most important thing here that will determine your score is how many kills you have. That is how many people died from hitting you. So if more people die from hitting you, you are also going to get more score. So you need to accumulate as long as you want to accumulate all of these drops that others keep. You should also find ways to make sure others die by hitting you, so that you can actually upgrade faster. Hi, I'm dead. Okay, you can see that I hit on that player and I died, but I don't think I have enough points already to get 500 clovers. So if you believe that you don't have enough points to get the clovers needed to win the game, you click on tickets, and then if you click on tickets, it will require you to make a little payment of 0.5 SOMI. Let's check that out here. You can see it will cost me 0.5 SOMI. I want to make this payment so that I can pass the game once and for all. So I click on confirm to restore, right? So now that I'm back, the gameplay remains the same. Avoid others as much as you can while you claim this and let them die whenever they hit you, but do not hit others, right? On the bottom right corner here, you are going to notice two different things. Number one looks like a shield, and then number two looks like a magnet. You can click on the corresponding button on your keyboard to activate them. If you click W, you are going to activate a shield that will protect you from others. So if your shield is activated, you are protected. When you hit others, you will not die, all right? And then if you click on E when you have a magnet will automatically attract all of these things that you need to pick up. You don't have to go after them. They will just be automatically attracted to you. So that is basically how to play the game. Follow everything you see here and pick them up. Remember that to pass this score on Odyssey, you need to get at least 500 clovers. The only problem here is that you don't know how many clovers you have until you are done playing the game. So when you're done playing the game, they will calculate your points, your chaos, everything, and use it to give you clovers. So you need to keep playing as long as you can. As long as you can hold on, just keep playing. From the leaderboard, you can see that I'm currently number 1 on the leaderboard. This doesn't really matter. You just need to keep playing and accumulate points, and that point will give you more clovers. Also, look for ways to make others hit you, because once they hit you, you get more points. You get more chaos, more points. Okay, you know what? At this point, I think I have enough already. My score right now is 123,772, right? So I think I have enough to give me enough clovers. So what I'm going to do now is that I want to end this game. All right, I want to end this game so that let's see if I have enough clovers already. Try to get to at least 100,000 points. Remember that each time you play, you spend 0.5 SOMI for each ticket. So one ticket costs you 0.5 SOMI. So let me end this game. If you hit this wall, you are dead. So that's all right. So you can see I'm dead now. So I'm going to click on skip to pass this. I don't want to renew the life again. I just click on skip. And then you can see I got 3,000 clovers, right? I will need to accept this with my MetaMask. Please, this particular place where he asks you to sign with your wallet is very important, because it is when you sign with your wallet that it will be registered on your wallet address. If you do not sign it with your wallet, you will not be able to claim your reward on Somnia Odyssey. So this is how to play the game. I am done right now. I'll click on home. Well, now while that is done, I will come to Somnia Odyssey. So the task here says obtain 500 clovers in CapyBara Snake. I've already gotten 3,000, so I'll click on verify, and that should be verified now. You can see completed. Now there are other tasks released on this here. You can see that the green ones that you need to complete are means the Believer Somniac NFT, means the Haku Genesis NFT, make a swap on Somnex Exchange, make a total of $50 swap on Perpetual Exchange. I will make another video that will be dropping tomorrow to show you how to complete this task. All right, so always check this Odyssey, because new tasks get added, all right, even after adding this task, they might decide to add other tasks. Remember that the compulsory one to claim your week 2 reward is this number: Meet the Believer Somnia NFT, Haku Spirit Genesis, trades on Somnex Exchange, which is very important. For those who have been following my page, I've made several videos about Somnex, which is an airdrop. They have their own airdrop, and you might win an airdrop if you complete most of these missions. So if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Play the Cappy game and claim your reward on Somnia Odyssey. Remember that each game will cost you tickets that cost you $0.5. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and bye for now, guys.